Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I hope these videos look a little bit better for you. I'm shooting them on a new telephone that I got today. My old one was, not long for life. And I'm not going to be in the videos today. I'm feeling pretty under the weather. I have a pretty bad head cold going. So I'm not going to be in the video, but I did want to come out and do a couple things just because I get totally bored. So all this wax on the front, I'm going to do exactly what I did to the back window and just clean up everything nicely because it just shouldn't be there. And I still have not gotten to waxing the roof yet. But like I said, I'm just going to remove all the wax that's on the glass right now. Maybe tomorrow morning, if I'm feeling better, I'll get up and do the roof and start waxing the body of the car. Like I said, the roof is going to be the first part and kind of work my way down. So that'll be that. But anyway, thank you for joining the video, guys. It'll just be a quick little video. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching. Let's hit it. Alright, so I think everybody can clearly see the difference between this side and this side. The little grill looks so much better there under the window. The glass is all fresh and clean. So now we're going to move over here. Okay, so as everybody can see, no more wax. The insides of the windows, I haven't even touched the inside of the car at all, as I stated in one of my last videos. So I'm sure the inside of the glass is still really dirty and nasty, but all the grill came out really nice right here. And no more wax. And the seal looks really good too. As I stated also in one of my last videos, I don't see any leakage. A lot of times when you wash an old car, they'll leak at the top of the window frame. I don't see that in this one on the back or the front window, so I'm very thankful for that. And the rubber seals feel very soft and supple. So I don't think we're gonna have any leakage issues, but if we do, then I'll do weather stripping whenever that starts to go bad. All right, guys, thank you for joining the video. Have a blessed evening.